Hey, what's up guys? It's Navarro, Pennystocksclub13. It's August 25th. It's Tuesday, and today I'm going to create a short video on just a short list that I have for possible day trades and a couple of swing trades that we're holding on for tomorrow. The market has been kind of slow as far as swing trading goes, as far as I'm concerned. But that does not mean that there are not day trading opportunities out there. There definitely is, and this is probably just that summer mode, that August mode, where August is usually a slow month for swing trading and day trading. There's slim options, but that does not mean that we haven't been able to find some good trades. We've been able to day trade better than swing trade. We've been hitting it good on day trades with the teamwork in the PSC13.com website members. And you know, if you have ever been interested in joining a trading family, a trading group, a trading community, guys, I suggest you go and check out my website, PSC13.com. It is affordable and it is a very welcoming community, guys. We've got traders from all skill sets, from beginners, intermediate, and professionals, and it's a small group. It is a growing group, but it's a very friendly group, and there's a lot of learning going on, and it's very educational, and hopefully you are able, or you're wanting to invest in your future, guys. And the best way to invest in your future is by obtaining a great education. So having said that, guys, again, go check out PSC13.com. I truly recommend it. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. These are some of the trades or stocks that I have in consideration for either day trades or possible swing trades, depending on how they set up tomorrow. So first of all, I'm going to start with ZSAN, ZSAN. This is a stock that we've traded previously, several times, and it's given us good returns. And what I want to show you right now, it's how it kind of showed support at a previous level. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in right here. So as you can see, it started making its way up. It got rejected at that $1.60 level, came back up, then started making this move, and look at where it bounced today, guys, at the $1.60 level. So now this is interesting to me. If it can break or test this 180 level and break above it, if it breaks above it and holds above and puts up a candle sort of like this, guys, again, it has to happen. And again, the volume today was short, but if tomorrow we see a little bit more of an increase in volume and it does break this 180 level, and we see a candle somewhere, even either here, or here, guys, something like this, then this is something that we need to take into consideration for a swing trade, because this means that it's continuing its momentum. If you draw a line right here, sorry about that, let me change my tool. If you draw a line straight through here, you can see how it's creating this upward trend, and it looks to be strong. There's an increase in volume. If I zoom out, you can see that its relative volume is relatively high, considering the past I don't know, 5-6 months. So again, ZSAN, guys, needs to put up a candle looking like this in order for us to consider it for a swing trade. But again, it's on watch for tomorrow. So that's ZSAN. The other one that I have on watch, GNPX. This one we try to trade. Let me zoom in. Oh, before I zoom in, you can see that it's been making higher lows, and it's been kind of getting rejected at this $4.50 level. Got rejected here once, twice, 3 times, and then the consolidation and the straddling around that level here, it makes it kind of seem like a little ascending wedge, of course excluding this little gap up or continuation here. But nonetheless, that's what we're looking for the break over 450 and a continuation higher. So this one's looking pretty good. Again, I would like for it to come and test this $4.50 level. I'll probably position myself right before it if the volume is good and the conditions are good. In the case of GNPX, that is what I'm looking for. It has held this trend line pretty well, this higher lows. So again, it bounced here, and now it made a little bit higher, closed a little bit higher. So hopefully tomorrow it can close somewhere near or below that $4.50 level, so that we can position ourselves for a swing trade for a possible push toward the 550 level, guys, probably even the 6. We'll see how it goes, but GNPX, I like the pattern, I like what it's doing, and hopefully it gives us an opportunity to position ourselves in that manner. So that's GNPX. Next one is UMRX, guys. This one, I like what I see. You can see this big increase in price action, the big push, and then it's consolidating. It's basically just flagging. This is a long-term flag, and right now, let me zoom in so you can see a little better. It's gotten this lower wicks, so that's usually a good sign. That is usually a good sign, and today it closed higher than, this is the first candle to make a higher close than the previous 4 sessions. So that means that it's probably gonna come and test this level that I have here in this red line, this 325, 330 level. So somewhere between there, 325, 330, that would be like a buy zone in anticipation of the break over 330. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. Hopefully it has enough volume. It's been trading around 1 million shares a day, so hopefully it'll increase. If we see 1 million shares around 9-10 a.m., that means that it's probably gonna have 2 to 3 million, and that will be an increase in volume, or hopefully even more. Maybe they put up some PR, some good news, and that'll help the volume come in. But again, the pattern looks solid. It's this flagging pattern. It's in a consolidation pattern right now. This is the flag. That's a consolidation, and I wanted to break over that 330 level, which I believe is the key level, the critical level of resistance that needs to be broken in order for it to create some upward movement. It's yet to be known, but hopefully it works out for us in tomorrow's trading session. That's UMRX. Then here are the 2 swing trades that we're currently holding on to, guys, from today. And like I'm saying, I have a very particular criteria for swing trading. I only trade stocks that are showing momentum and that are that meet my criteria as far as volume, pattern, and price action. And it's been very slim. There are some, but I am a little skeptical as far as how much they've moved in a particular way. There hasn't been that perfect setup that I usually trade, but that's why in the PSC13.com trading rules, there's a rule where I tell my members, you know what, I just took a starter because of this particular reason. There's not enough volume, the pattern isn't solid enough, or it's not a perfect setup. So we go like that, and if the volume is there, the setup is there, and all the conditions are, the criteria is met, then we go ahead and take a bigger position for a swing trade. So if those conditions aren't met, then we just stick to the starting position. That way we keep our accounts safe, and we don't expose too much of our accounts, our account balance, to the market. So with UMRX, guys, the volume is a little low, so this one we are not holding a position yet, but that's what we're looking at. But the next ones that we're going to talk about, we are exposed to them right now with a starting position on GEVO. And why is this one here? Well, it made this big push. They made an offering, so it started selling off. So there's probably some shorts caught in here. It started curling up, and it made a higher low today. It closed higher. I'm hoping that this level here, where it got rejected, the 160 level, again, we took an entry at $1.47 today, right before the $1.50 break. And if tomorrow it opens up anywhere near this $1.60 level and it starts making that move, then hopefully we'll be golden. I'm looking for a push to this close at around 180. So that's what I'm looking for from 147. If it works for us and it makes its way up there, that's about a 22% gain if it works. On a starting position, nonetheless, it's not a big position, but Either way, we take what the market gives us and we position ourselves with what the setup is. That way we manage our risk best. And this is the last one, guys. PRTY. PRTY has been making us money since last week. And one of the things that we joke about in the PSC13.com group chat is that the party keeps on going, guys. Party just keeps on going. You know, we party all day, we party all night. You know, the members are putting up emojis and stuff, and it's awesome, guys. It's crazy, and I love it. I wouldn't trade this group for the world. They're awesome members. They're all very respectful, and they're all very attentive to learning everything that's going on and why things happen, why things don't happen. And of course, the market is unpredictable, so we just gotta take what it gives us and learn from it. And we got all sorts of traders. But talking about PRTY, guys, what's going on right now? Well, as you can see, it's a beaten down stock. It was a beaten down stock. It started trickling up. It started making this little cup, and look at what it's making right now. Yeah, that's the handle, guys. So we got a little cup and handle action going on, and that's what we're looking for. As you can see here, we've got this rejection around that 280 level. So hopefully it can come and test that 280 level, and if it does, hopefully it can continue breaking and making a breakout out of that $2.80 level. And we've been trading this one. We traded it here. I called it out, and actually we traded it here on a swing trade, took profits. Then we day traded it here. We day traded it here. We made a swing trade here, sold it here, and then we're on it again. And right now it's trickling higher around 240, so we're up a little bit. So hopefully tomorrow it gets a little bit of continuation going. The volume after this big spike and then this little curl, which is what I like to see. Remember, this is the kind of stock, the kind of pattern that's my favorite, where you got the big push and then that curling action, guys, and then that continuation higher. You got the big push, and then we've got the curling action with decreasing volume. So the steady volume I like, and now I'm hoping for an increase in volume and a push higher over 280, hopefully breaking that 3 level as well, and make us a good return, guys. Either way, we've been making good money on PRTY. That's all I got for you guys. And again, go check out PSC13.com, guys. I really recommend it for you. If you like the educational content that I'm putting out for you, again, go ahead and like and subscribe my channel, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.